What's up guys, I'm Daniel, and these are BobVillage camping chairs. BobVillage camping chairs are lightweight, durable, compact, and you can take them anywhere. Whether it be camping, going to the beach, or hiking and enjoying the view. Assembly is easy too. Now let's check out what's inside. All of BobVillage chairs come with the frame, the seat, and this handy dandy carrying bag. Assembling your BobVillage chair is quite simple. Lock all the legs into the frame.
That doesn't mean she isn't kind.
Attach your seat. And now you're good to go. The bag comes with a durable handle and a hook. And you can find this on Amazon.com. I'm Danny, and I'll see you around.
With smiling lips and searching eyes, I don't care for the intention.